Hello there, and welcome to my informal assessment strategy video on concept maps. My name is John Uloth, and this assignment is for PID 3230 Evaluation of Learning. Bloom's taxonomy involves learning the language of concepts first, then breaking the concept into parts, then reassembling the parts into a whole. In 1972, Joseph Novak and his research team at Cornell University developed the strategy of concept mapping as a means of representing the emerging science knowledge of students. Novak's work is based on the cognitive theories of David Ausubel. When meaningful learning takes place, some changes in our cognitive structure occur, modifying the previous concepts and linking them with the new ones. Angelo and Cross indicated the concept maps develop student abilities in certain critical areas. Among these are the ability to draw reasonable inferences from observations, the ability to synthesize and integrate information ideas, and the ability to learn concepts and theories in the subject area. Concept maps are a type of graphic organizer. They're designed to promote creativity, as well as effective externalization and visualization of ideas. The maps are usually drawings or diagrams that are showing the mental connection that students are making between a major concept that the instructor is focusing on and other concepts that they have learned. The maps are excellent tools to provide instructors with diagnostic pre-assessment prior to beginning a lesson, and also a great tool for an informal assessment activity during the learning. They can also provide immediate visual data to the instructors on student misconceptions and their level of understanding. So how are concept maps made? Concept maps are very simple to construct. They consist of main ideas, usually enclosed in circular boxes, and then these concepts are connected with labeled lines or arrows showing the relationship between each of the concepts. The relationships between these concepts is articulated with linking phrases, for example, give, results in, is required by, or contributes to. A final feature that may be added to concept maps is specific examples of events or objects that may help to clarify the meaning of a given concept. Normally, these are not included in ovals or boxes since they are specific events or objects and do not represent concepts. There are multiple ways of using these maps as informal assessment tools. As a class, create a concept map and use it as a springboard to discuss relationships among the concept and ideas listed in the map. The students can use these maps to display a concept's components, such as when trying to understand a given process, and by visualizing the relationships among a set of connected steps and ideas, they can organize their thoughts or information into a form that is easily understood. Linking the concepts and visualizing their relations may help students discover new problem-solving methods as well. Another use is fill in the blanks. Before class, create a concept map of the material you want to cover in class, then remove some of the concepts and labels, and then give the map to the students to complete. The strategy is known to be time-consuming. It is hard to prepare, administer, and rate. It can also be challenging for students with well-honed verbal skills and less graphic skills. As well, it may be challenging to evaluate what level of construction on a concept map represents a meaningful level of understanding by students. Strategy is practical and engaging. It's a low-tech way to get a graphic view of students' conceptual associations, allows for self-assessment, it reveals the changes in student knowledge. They can always see their level of knowledge at different stages of the course, and it's good for learners with high visual abilities. It calls for a graphic response. Create a focus question that clearly specifies the issue that the concept map should address. Tell students to begin by generating a list of relevant concepts. Maps evolve as they become more detailed and may require rethinking and reconfiguring. It is recommended to start easier in the beginning of the course rather than have students start from scratch. The feedback can be immediate for simple fill-in-the-blank concept maps. The instructor can correct students right away and then demonstrate to improve any student misunderstandings. As well, collect student responses. Make a concept map based on student responses and discuss them throughout the subsequent sessions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my short video on concept maps.